Hello. Just getting ready for dinner. I'm currently in Bangkok and I'm gonna have dinner on my own because Ace is not responding, so he might be asleep. Currently here in Bangkok for my show tomorrow and a little bit of vacation. I'm gonna do my makeup. Good evening, everyone. This is the look. This is actually given by a fan, one of the looks that I unboxed last time. Medyo showy lang siya. My side boobs is showing. This is Rahul Laurel. And then I'm wearing a cute walking heel. And can you see the tan? Baby, the tan is tanning. This one is a gift from a fan as well. Gift from a fan, gift from a fan. See, I'm trying to wear everything that you give me, guys. As in, as much as possible, I try to style it and make it work. Okay, so toner, you already know. Latest Obsession Dark Spot Clearing Serum from Clinique. Just becoming a Clinique girl now. Ayan. Wala po ako sa Rockwell, hindi po para magra-Rockwell, no? Ano ako ngayon, very kapong-ka. Very, Catherine on the Grey. And I'm going out alone. It's my first time to go out alone in a long time. So, wish me luck, guys. I really like it pagka abroad kasi wala namang nakakakilala sa akin. So, wala naman silang pakialam. Not that I'm saying na may pakialam sila sa akin sa Pilipinas, but it's easier to go around on your own when you're abroad. Sawadee-ka, everybody. And then moisturizer from Clinique as well, because she is the skin diagram thingy ako. And I thought grabe na ako mag-moisturize, pero kulang pa rin pala sa moisture yung mukha ko. So I have to wash my hair tomorrow. Okay, let's start with, I'm gonna try out a new foundation. Where is she? So far. Should be here. Ooh. Nowhere to be found. Where is she? Okay, she's here. I'm gonna try out Miss Mario because I love their nag-restock na ako nung what do you call this, concealer nila. So I'm gonna try out the foundation and we'll see how it goes because I tried one before when I was in Vegas, I think, pero they gave me the wrong shade. I mean, nung tirinay namin siya sa lighting nila, okay naman. But when I went out in the sun, sobrang puti. So this one is, I think, more my shade. Nagka-shade match kami kanina. So, Bumalik ka na ng Pinas. Teka lang, kakaalis ko pa lang. Ayan. So, I'm gonna try her. Konti lang. Let's... Oh! It's very runny, huh? Should I mix it up? I don't like this consistency. Let's shake her. Scent of the day. Sige, I'll show you my scent of the day. Actually, parang gift nga sa akin yun eh. It's, ang dala ko ngayon kasi gusto ko fresh. Carolina Herrera. I'm not sure how big ang mga scents nila, but I kind of like it. I'm gonna show you later. When Marina leaves, what happens? Award. Ayos na. Just got my degree. Congratulations! Me too, I just got my degree. But ganun yung consistency niya, parang super runny. Is it because it's new? Ayan, oh my god, the shade match is medyo okay. Kasi medyo maputi siya daw sa skin ko. But I like it. No? Medyo maputi lang siya sa face ko, but... Hindi mo super puti. Carry lang. Yep. Yep, I see you. I hear you, Miss Makeup by Mario. I just don't like the consistency kasi parang super runny niya. Hindi siya ma-blend ng maayos. Kita ba yung suso ko? Hindi naman, no? Okay, now I can see na medyo mas maputi na siya sa akin. So, ibawi natin siya. Okay. It's getting better. Just really have to, siguro yung first latak yun. Medyo maputi siya sa akin. Look. We're gonna make it work kasi mahal siya. Well, contour area naman yan, so given. Medyo mas dark kasi yung skin tone ko ngayon. Because of being under the sun. Ayan, medyo maputi siya. But, we'll make it work. Divas. Gawa natin ang paraan yan. Hindi pa naman ako nagka-cream contour masyado. Alam niyo kayo, kung pumunta kayo dito para makipag-chismisan, hindi ko sasagutin yung mga ganyang tanong ninyo. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng bagay kailangan may opinion tayo, hindi ba? Hindi naman kailangan ng lahat ng mga nangyayari sa mundo eh. Ba't niyo ko tinatanong? Anong kinalaman ko, di ba? Nananahimik ako dito eh. Tama ba yun? Pupunta kayo sa live ng ibang tao, tapos tatanungin niyo yung mga issue. Ano namang gagawin ko? Ano gagawin natin? Di ba? O gawain niyo yan eh. Pumunta sa mga live ng mga queens, tapos mag-instigate ng mga kung ano-anong mga conversations na hindi naman necessary, hindi naman kailangan. O pag nagbigay ako ng opinion, o ano mangyayari? Aayos ba yung Senado? Aayos ba yung mundo? Diba? Nagpapaganda ako dito eh. Nagmamaganda ako dito eh kung ano-ano tinatanong ninyo. Huwag niyo gagawin sa mga quinceal kasi you're putting them on the spot. Kayo naman. Or kahit na sino. Bawas-bawasan ng pagiging chismosa. Iyaan niyo. Mag-ano. So I tried the, I like the combination. Sana hindi mag-crease kasi lagi ako nag-crease under eye. So, we'll see. Bilis ako na mag-makeup kasi baka mamaya masaraduhan na ako yung dinner place. Medyo casual dining lang ipupuntahan ko today. Kasi parang gusto ko ng gonna eat a lot kasi I've been holding back sa pagkain for the past, I don't know how long. So, I was reserving my appetite for Bangkok and Cebu. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, we're gonna my favorite, may age restrictions live mo. Ay, totoo ba? Baka dahil nakita yung kung side boob. Merong shimmer yung Mario. Okay. Miss BLK, see, it's my favorite and I've been using this for a very long time na. Coffee Run. And I go heavy on blush, like blush blindness. Pero this one kasi, I love it kasi it like blends well with my skin tone talaga. Diba? So pretty. Do you love her? And I'm gonna today, magdi-dinner lang ako. Malay mo, diba? Andito na yung future ko. Malay mo, may makita sa akin dito. Sobrang nagandahan sa akin, diba? Tapos, hindi na kailangan magtrabaho after. Chares! And then, what I like to do is to set it ahead. Kasi hindi na ako nagpa-cream contour. Miss Diva Doll, Laura Mercier, forever. So what I do is I take a puff, ganyan, and then kind of like rub it sa wrist ko para lang mabawasan yung hindi mamuo yung powder when I dab it under eye para super smooth lang siya. Hindi siya parang yung how I set pag nakadrag ako na bug, ganon. Kasi gusto ko parang very sheer satin finish lang. I don't wanna lose the parang glow ng skin, ika nga. Ayan, yung mga areas ng na. Kasi iba ang pang-set natin sa blush. Dust off yung mga excess. Then I'm gonna go with it's actually as a compact powder, but I use it as a bronzer kasi para konti lang yung product nila sa face. I don't have to set and then put contour powder. Ito na yung ginagamit ko para parang double purpose na siya. Siya na rin yung nagsiset nung contour area and cheek area. Yan. Para mapantay yung skin tone. Because medyo dark ang aking skin tone ngayon. Skin type mo, sister? Shy type. Charis! Up next is blush. Okay, so dahil tamad ako, I just use the same brush. I use the Haus Labs Hibiscus Haze. And sa high points lang siya. Like, very, kasi super pigmented ito and super pink. Ito lang maibalik. Yeah, and then here. A little over here. Ayan. And then, line our sige, mag-brows muna tayo. Baka hindi na ako mag-eyeshadow tonight kasi okay naman. Or baka ano ako. Konti lang. I just fill in sa ends lang kasi meron ako mga blank spaces sa aking brows. Magbantay sila. Very lightly. Just like that. Then we set it with for that one I used the Anastasia pala na brow definer. And then Anastasia brow gel in chocolate. There she is. And then we're gonna put a little bit of eyeshadow now. We're using Miss Rose Metals ng Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm kind of feeling her, parang medyo cool tone. Medyo cool na warm. Cool na warm. Tapos parang very smoky lang. Nothing too fancy. Yan lang. Pangbuhay lang ng mata. Di rin ako mag-eyeliner kasi tinatamad ako. So, ganyan lang. Or baka mag-line ako ng under eye. Kasi medyo street food yung kakainin. Super humpak na humpak kapag There you go. I think okay na yan. We don't want to go too crazy about it. And then, since sobrang dami fountain na sa face, what I like to do is a secret technique that I do. But hindi na siya secret kasi I've always been saying this every time na nag-live ako. Haus Labs, the Bioradiant Glassy Highlighter Balm in Glassy Champagne for my shape. So what I like to do is dip ng nose. And then what I do is parang hinahanap ko yung center ng ilaw para makita ko kung tama ba yung application ko. Ayan. And then sa chin area. And then sa cheek area para walang, kasi pag in-swipe mo ganyan, sasama yung makeup mo, di ba? So I put it sa finger and then I just dab it lightly. Yan. Pero mukhang glass skin pa din. Since ang dami nating nilagay ng powder. Yan. Diba? Bongga. And then, ang pinagbabawal na technique. Oh wait, lip liner muna tayo. For lip liner, I kind of want to go with a cool brown para bagay siya sa overall look. Like so. And then, I'm gonna get my lipstick. Lipstick. Sorry, dito siya sa ano ko. Para hindi sobrang Maggie Perez. Ay, poki mo! Toki mo. My all-time favorite lip velvet from Anastasia. There you go. I'm just gonna cool tone siya ng konti. Ayan. We finish it off by using the miniskirt Rosewood Skimpy ng Essie. That's the lippy. Do we like it? And then we set the face because we're ready to eat. Nakabili pa natin ng panibago. Dapat hindi ko binuksan kasi may naka-open pa. But here we are. Step 1, magtinginan. Magtinginan kayo ng powder melt. For the girls like me who likes dewy finish, satin finish, whatever, her. Siya muna. Give her a minute. Let her sink in. Give her a minute. And then we're gonna seal it after. Okay. Well, that she's ready. Dahil wala kanina yung pang matagalang ano tawag doon? Yung all-nighter something ng one size na ito lang available nila. So, I'm just gonna go with this. It's the Until Dawn but the waterproof version. So, I'm gonna try this as well para yung sweat. Kasi minsan, di ba, pag nakadarag ako, like yung kilay ko naka-set. Minsan pagka nag-sweat, sumasama yung makeup ng kilay. So, I'll try this for my drag. Ewan ko na lang. Kahit mag-tuk-tuk pa ako tonight talaga. There we have it. So there she is. And then we're gonna use the Carolina Herrera. I don't know. Anong she, ano to? La Bomba Eau de Parfum. Or whatever. Yeah. Para siyang butterfly. Half ko na siya. I don't know sino nagbigay sa akin ito, pero nakita ko na lang siya sa closet ko. So, and mabango siya. Okay. Let's do a... There she is. Ready na siyang mag-Thai omelette. Charot. Nag-lotion na ako kanina pero magdadagdag lang ako for the glisten. I am currently in love with Aura by Sola. Not sponsored, but I'm currently in love with it kasi ang bango niya and grabe yung, ayun o, yung, ano niya, paano nito? Hindi siya sticky eh. And then, tiga mo, talagang, did you see the instant difference nung pinahid ko siya? Parang lumabas yung kulay ko, di ba? Parang vibrant siya ng balat. Ayan. Okay, so we are ready to go out. Wait, I'm gonna give you a quick suite tour. This is my suite here in Conrad. So, merong kitchen na hindi ko naman magagamit dahil bakit ako magluluto kung nasa Thailand ako, di ba? Pero kung kailangan ko siguro mag-init ng pagkain. Feeling ko di ko maubos yung pagkain ko. Ang ating sala. We're in the living area. And then kanina merong afternoon tea. At yung view ko kanina nung nag-afternoon tea ako. Ako lang nagtimpla ng tea ko, actually. I love tea, so I'm a self-sufficient tea girl. TS girl, charot. And then, yung mga wigs nandun, naka-upstay na sila dyan. And then, sobrang gulo sa banyo. Ayan. May shower. May bath. And then, there's a closet na hindi ko naman gagamitin. Kasi bakit pa ako magko-closet kung guguluhin ko din yung mga gamit ko, di ba? Ayan. So, is it giving Zabel? Is it giving Ayala? Is it giving Lopez? Is it giving who else? Tan? Is it giving... Oh. There she is. Okay. At least I wish you were here. Godland, I wish you were here. I'm going out tonight. I'm gonna eat alone because you decided to not be here the time I'm here. What's good? What's good? Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go now. And I'm going to eat. She's going to eat, baby. Bye. Oh, wait. I'll see you tomorrow. House of Heels, everybody who's here in Bangkok or who's planning to go to Bangkok. Tomorrow, Friday night, I will be performing at House of Heels at the Renaissance Hotel. Yeah, I can't wait to see you all. It's my Bangkok comeback, and it's actually the first time I'm performing overseas with the girls. you know, as the proud trans woman that she is. So Bangkok, we're off to a good start. I'll see you tomorrow or tonight. I'm gonna go out, so say hi to me. And then this weekend, I'm gonna be performing in Singapore. So it's like a mini 2-stop Asia tour. So Bangkok tomorrow, Sunday is going to be Singapore. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye.